unite. In this time we are going to make one assembly. So this is the picture what we have to do. We have 3 parts almost ready, so the only thing we have to do is assembly. So we have the triangle area or this section of the second piece, the yellow one. So we have to make one relationship with this area as well, but this side inside of the triangle. So like this, what happened here is coincident. Both they are coincident. So both sides they are coincident. For this reason we will give check. We can do like that, and after we can see, do you see? Now is 2 properties. One of them are, one is concentric, another one is coincident. So what we have to do now is insert another component. We have rows, and now we can choose this part 4. No, I'll open, and we can see. So we can make the presentation. Sorry, yeah, for just for this time, because it's good, but we have we can do this because the other side we can not understand what's going on here, no? So we need this pin pass through of the 2 identities, look like this. So now they are not correctly assembled. So what we have to do is now make the one relationship between this identity, the black one, and this yellow one, or this triangle, no? So select and we can see, like we can do like this. So around of this pin, yeah, we can choose and we can make one relation between this identity and the triangle. So we can say relation of position, and we can put here, and what is going on here? What is the relationship between both identities? This is the concentric. They are concentric. Okay, I say okay, and later on we can see, no, and we check, don't forget to check here again, and you can do another property for make one assembly and format correctly, no, correctly. So we have here this side, left side of this identity, and now we can do is relation of positions against this triangle, and we can put straight away this, we can choose straight away this area. This area is the side, left side of the triangle. So we can pick, and that's it. We can see, what we can see here is coincident. You see, it's coincident, and that's it. We can do accept and check. Don't forget, check, and that's it. Here we can put a component in a real dimension, and we can this. Now what we have to do is back to the graphic of the assembly, no? And so we have here 1, 2. Now we need the gray one, isn't it? So insert component, browse, and we have here the gray one. So it's the power 3. So open, and we will put here. Okay. Now we can see this point here. This will be in this position. This part will be in this position, more or less, something like that. So what we have to do is use the relationship between two identities to make the assembly. Okay, so let's go. Come here, and we'll put here, we will make one relationship between this circle and relationship and with this as well. So this is concentric, that's it, this is concentric, it's okay, and that's it. This is the property what we studied last week. So we have here now is concentric. Look, yes, it's concentric. Do you see? It's concentric, but he cannot move. He cannot move here. Must be stay here. No, must be stay here, or stay. Sorry, or stay here in this position. So both of them, they are good, but I prefer stay here out, because I want to do the same operation for the other parts that they are missing. No? So now what do you have to do next? Join both planes, this plane and with this plane, or this side and this. Well, do you see? We have the zoom, this side and this side. And what is the property? Correct property we have to do is coincident, isn't it? So we have here, we pick here and relationship, and we can put here, and that's it, this one, and this is coincident. The property of the relation of position, the correctly is coincident. That's it. Check as well, and that's it. What is missing? The pin 4, isn't it? Insert component. So you will tell me which one is the property, which one is the relation. It's concentric, isn't it? Okay. And now we can do the same what we do before, this relationship and this one. That's it. They are coincident now. Coincident. Okay, two properties, concentric and coincident, isn't it? That's it, something like that. And now we have to do is, what is missing? The pin, isn't it? The power 4. So relationship, no, insert component, browse, and we can take the power 4, and that's it, something like this. I will open the area of work and we have here something like that. So we can take a round of the piece 4 and say it, relation of position with this will be concentric, isn't it? Okay, that's it. This is one of the property. Another one will be, I will say, this side have a relationship with this side about the coincident, and check E and then check. That's it. Open the real side. I hope this something like this, like that. That's it. That's it. Something like this. Okay. And now what is missing? The triangle, isn't it? Insert component, browse, and we have see part 1 and take this one, and after we have to presentation. You know. I think it's not necessary, no? So what we have to do? The same what we have to do 1, 2, 3 times. So this one, relation of positions with who? With this, we can say like this, or something like that. Okay, and say it. Okay. What relationship is concentric, isn't it? Look. Something like this. Look, it's concentric, isn't it? But we need this stay in the center, no, isn't it? In the center of the piece of the triangle. So we have to do is one property. What is the property? Is the coincident, no? It's coincident. So we have select, and after we can call the property. So this side relationship, relation of position, and will be coincident. Look, with this area, with this side, with this, no, have to be inside, with this side, inside. Look, and after take, check, and that's it, something like that. That's it. You see, now it's missing. You see, let me see. Okay, now it's missing one pin, the last one, isn't it? Insert component, browse, and we have here part 4. See, and later we have here, and we can say this area all around the piece 4 will be in relationship or relation of position with this area, and the property correct is concentric. Okay, we'll check and check. That's it. And this later on we will check. Yeah, we will select this area and we will call the relation, and the relation is with this side of the triangle, and we will be coincident. We will do now accept, and after we will do accept. So now we have correctly assembly, something like this, something like this. So that's it, something like that, no? So this is important because this can be worked like, for example, one robotic arms doing the axis of work. Yeah, axis of work. Okay, is a one arm, isn't it? So that's all. See you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.